Okay, so Slay. I came back to this package and it is, I think it's going to be my hair dryer. Let's see what it is. Because my mom, like I said, my mom ordered me a hair dryer and I've been looking for days because it was supposed to come last week. I thought it was supposed to come last week. But I texted my mom, I was like, when is the hair dryer coming? You know what? Let me get scissors. So Slay, I wonder if it's like, if it's gonna be like a cute hair dryer. Because my mom told me, because normally I don't like to dry my hair, but she was like, Cindy, you need to dry your hair or else you're going to get fungus. Ooh, Slay! What is... Pro Beauty Tools. Yeah, she's like, Cindy, you need a hair dryer. Or else, like, you're going to, like, if you don't blow dry your hair at night, you're gonna get fungus. And I was like, fungus? I don't want fungus. Because normally she tells me to do stuff, and then I'm like, eh. Like, I don't really want to, like, blow dry my hair because I'm lazy, and also, like, I'd rather just have it naturally air dry, but I don't want fungus, so. This is a cute hair dryer. I thought it was gonna be like one of her hair dryers that she has. I need to get like one of those like round brushes. The ones that you like can like do round brushing on. But show diffuser softens airflow, enhances natural curls and waves. The problem is my hairbrush is like, so Slay. Anyways, thanks to my mom. Ionic technology. All right. Goodbye.